I've put the Sher-Wood Proform Hockey Net to the test, going through it to check to see how easy it is to assemble, as well as taking it out and taking some shots on it, see how durable it is. You'll see here that we'll have some videos of it getting put together, as well as some videos of it with some shots being taken on it. So I received the Sher-Wood 72-inch Proform Hockey Net. We're going to go through and assemble and see how easy it is to assemble, and then try it out. Frame is completely assembled. All in all, probably less than 10 minutes to get it all together. Final touches. The net goes over top with these Velcro strips. Goes through the bars, and I think in total it's taken us maybe 15 minutes to do the whole assembly, including the net. And now we'll try it out. Well, that seems pretty sturdy. I mean, we're only using a tennis ball. Not sure how well the holes will stand up if it's between the Velcro pieces on the back there. If you were to say take it to play hockey with a puck, those couple spots may prove to be able to allow the puck to go through.